Okay, so delighted, so excited and delighted. Afterburner is working. The Sega X board utility, which replaces these two chips with a memory tester program, worked great. It showed this board had no problems. Here is a look at the Sega X board memory tester program. This is a bad board. This was in the deluxe machine. You can see there's several bad components, ERR in red there. The other board that I got out of the upright, everything was green or okay on this test program. It just needed some new ROM chips. So the chips that come on this board, there's a lot of folks online that say these 27C, 27C1000 NEC brand chips will give you trouble and you have to do a jumper wire and all that stuff. Well, I'm here to tell you, I just burned this one with no jumper wire in this program. I've read in multiple places that this particular programmer won't burn those chips, but it did without any jumpers or socket stacking with pins jumped and stuff like that. I've read that in multiple places. I did have trouble because this did not come with a power supply. You do need to supply it with 9 volts for it to burn the M27 chip. I read that you put a jumper here like this, or some people do this kind of stack thing for other chips. I don't know. I tried a few things and I got nowhere fast, but just using this out of the box seemed to work okay. And the setting is the M27C1000. So this worked great. I ordered a few replacements, AMD brand, a different brand. They seem to do a little better. Who knows? Now, if you'll notice this one, see that? DLX? That's from the dead board. I marked these up. This one was no good. This 9 DLX. So, with a spare chip, I burned the 9. I just burned that, and it's working great. And I think that was the culprit. That was the only thing holding me back here from getting this up. And here's the board out of the upright with some new ROMs in. New sound working there. These are now the enhanced ROMs. You can see I stuck a little enhanced text on there. It's the 2 main programs and audio chip to run the enhanced version of the game. There's a guy who did some patches on the original code. One of the big ones that I like that the enhanced one does is actual free play. So you got free play turned on. The original game, there's a bug or something in free play. It doesn't work quite right. But there it is. We got Afterburner, so we'll get an Afterburner Deluxe soon.